Okay, so I got a 2014 Fusion here, and the mobility, service tire mobility light is on. So to turn this off, this is an interval. Basically, you can set it to come on every year or not. So we'll go in here, we'll go okay. Reset canceled. Try to get to this better thing here. Alright, so we go into go into key battery, so it also needs a key battery. Go into settings, go into vehicle, tire mobility kit. We're going to set it for 1 year, so we're just going to reset it again for 1 year. So we'll go 2 years, then back to 1 year, and it should be good. Let me get it out of there. Alright, so let's see if that worked. Alright, let's get out of here. It also needs a key battery. If you see this light on, it means it needs a key battery. Alright, so this thing like never went off. Let's see here. That's on, that's off. Okay. Let's get out. Thanks for driving a hybrid. Hybrid. That's weird. Alright, so open the door. Fire it up. And we're good. Definitely going to need a key battery, which I will tell them. So that's it. Just like so.